अंदू 53व्या इफ्फीत 75 क्रिएटिव्ह माइंड्स ऑफ टुमॉरो विभागात गोंयच्या गौतम शिरसाटाचें फिल्म लाडू वेचून काडलां. ह्या विभागाच्या मानकऱ्यांचो केंद्रीय मंत्र्यान भोवमान केलो. तांकां आशिल्ली 55 आवर्स चॅलेंज तांणी लॉन्च केली. मंत्र्यान 5 दिसाचे फिल्म बाजाराचेंय उक्तावण केलें.
भाई और शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ और आशा करता हूँ कि आपकी मूवी को, फीचर नॉन फीचर फिल्म्स को सब लोग 53rd इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में न केवल एंजॉय करेंगे बल्कि दुनिया भर में आपकी क्रिएशन को देखने का अवसर मिल पाएगा. Let me also thank the jury members for taking out their valuable time. I know how painful the process is. The number of hours you have to spend to see each movie, and it's just not to watch a movie but also to watch it very carefully. But I know the process is very difficult, but still you have taken out your time, stayed away from your families to pick up these movies, and I'm sure you have picked up the best movies. My best wishes to each and everyone for making this 53rd Iffi edition a grand success. Thank you and congratulations.
Bureau Report, Prudent.